Hey everybody, Eric with Island City Fishing, back at it again. I've had a streak of not so great outings here. Been really struggling to get some content, and today we're just going to try for some topwater bass. It's a very productive lake. I just want to catch some fish. Oh! And I just did. All right, there we go. He's not a monster to start with. Oh, that's a good intro. There we go. That's a great way to start the morning. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're catching these on those. Here we go. He didn't take long. Man, I didn't even realize he was on there. It's like a nice fish. Stay out of them weeds. Man, I hate how noisy this rod and reel combo is. Oh, he's not a big one, but he's a fatty. Fatty, boom, baladdy. Go on. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, he didn't take long to hit that at all. Like, it hit, I did the first jerk and he hit it simultaneous, and I just thought I made a really strong first jerk on that thing. All right. Let's fish two. There we go. Ah! Yeah. Two in, one miss. Happens. There it goes. So give him a second to think about it. That's will be the same fish though. He's just barely cooked. Oh, that's gotta hurt, bud. I'm sorry. There we go. You just needed a second to think about it, didn't you? There we go. Right in the weeds. Man. You choked it, dude. Yeah, a little one. Tell you what, one thing about the zoo pop line, something hits it, you can't. I mean, if something puts teeth on it and squeezes that body, you're done, because it instantly fills with water and you have to just bring it in. That is one downside to these. However, they have some upsides, like they catch fish. This one's not very big. I think it's that same one. Came at it before. Yep, they're getting smaller. Alright, we're going to have to move on to another part of the lake, which means some paddling. Alright, time to change up. Should probably have about one size bigger jig head for these, but I don't have any with me to pick up some. These are quarter rounds. These 3-inch tails call for a ½ ounce. So, Chris City Custom Paddle Tail. It's like a green, black, blue, pumpkin, something or another. It's got like 3 color names. I forget what they are. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice crappie. Oh, that was a nice crappie. Oh, I got a stringer with me. If I can get some more of those, it'd be crappie time. Do 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 do. Crappie time. Something took it. What we got? Little bass. I was hoping there was another crappie. Oh, at least they're not getting smaller. There we go. What we got? Bye. Yes. Went weeds. He was waiting for it. Hey, he feels heavier. Fat. No go whatsoever, so. Something missed it. Oh, he came back for it. Oh, this one feels a little nicer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I need a net for this guy. Oh, man, this got some chops. There we go. I don't think that's my 4. But, man, he is a chunk. Well, look at this chunky monkey. Yeah. Nice. Let's get a weight. Said I wanted a 4. Do we think he's a 4? I think he's shy. I think he's 3 3/4. All right, what do we got? 359. Not quite, but still, man, he's a chunk, isn't he? Look at that. Beautiful fish. 359. Man, you feel a lot heavier, that's for sure. Cool. Cool. 359. 0.4 away. Man, that was cool. He hit it and I missed him, and he came back for it. Full force. Alright, well, that restores my faith and maybe I catch a 4 today. If not, 359 is going to be the winner chicken dinner. Alright, first battery change. 8:30. Got 1 more hour. So let's see what we can do. See if we can get that 4 in this last hour. There we go. This guy will be the last fish of the day. Oh, that's a dandy. Oh yeah. You make a nice fish today. You make a nice last fish. Stop crashing. There we go. And there we go. Last fish of the day. Probably about a pound, pound and a half. I think he's actually about the same size as the first fish I caught. So that's a nice full circle. So it was a good day. Didn't catch the biggest, didn't catch that 4 we wanted. But was it 359? That's good enough. So one last look at Mr. Bass here. And off he goes. Cool. Yeah, that's the way I like to end the video. On a fish. So, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Especially a subscribe. I could really use some subscribers, help grow the channel. Really want to get this stuff in front of a lot of people. Those of you who have subscribed, I thank you kindly. Those of you who have not subscribed yet, well, be sure you put that on your to-do list. So, all right, everybody, I'm out of here. Y'all be good.